are welcome.
My daughter.
Good afternoon, sir.
Wait here, Apple.
Baba.
When you come here today?
Baba, they yes. These three brothers are the same mama body and they be married to Juju. Today, I want to make you frustrate their life. If they marry, they not go home. If they enter work, you not go get hit. They not go gather money. House they not go build. Now what I want to make you
finish. Finish.
Only that.
Oh, quada.
Baba, before you start, see, I know say your work you always a clean. No time when I don't give you work where you never clean. Now make I bring this money for you. You don't need to charge me. I use my mind. Baba, this one are 2 million. Now your own.
A coga for boy, Pepeya de Vaire. Oh, you could. Oh, quada. Finish.
Yes, Papa. Only that one.
This padlock, go and throw it inside the river.
Thank you, Baba.
As the river flows, it goes.
Thank you, Baba.
Nobody, none of them,
now what I want,
will ever find the root of their problem.
you get them.
As far no one can go deep down to the river, no one will see their problem.
Thank you, Papa. I trust you. Baba, you do well. I trust you. I don't say your work not the faith. Make I keep calm. So they go so straight. Thank you, Baba.